Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I'm going to show you several ways how you can customize and modify your Chrome browser's performance on your PC or laptop really quickly and without any advanced technical knowledge. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you will need to do this, guys, for example, if you'd like to improve the performance and the speed of your Chrome browser, is head over to your browser settings. To do that, simply click on these three dots here in the top right corner of your home screen or home tab and select settings. So there are basically two areas here in your browser settings that are interesting for this or relevant for this. For example, starting with the performance section, you may click on it here on the left panel to access the performance settings. And here, guys, simply go through these settings and decide which feature you would like to turn on or off. For example, you may enable this feature here, always keep these sites active. If you have a really strong hardware or computer with a high CPU and a lot of RAM, you may allow yourself to do that because this feature will allow you to keep as many sites as you like open in multiple tabs here in your Chrome browser. And this feature will keep these tabs open and active, which may eat a lot of space or RAM from your computer. So make sure that you have a really strong hardware to enable this. What you may do, guys, is the opposite here at the bottom, memory saver, enable it. For example, if you'd like to give Chrome the permission to free up RAM or memory from tabs that are still open but somehow inactive, for example, if you don't visit these tabs. So with this feature enabled, you allow Google Chrome to free memory from these inactive tabs, or in other words, to save your RAM or memory. And what you want to do also, guys, is, for example, enable the preload pages feature at the bottom. This will allow Google Chrome to preload pages, which makes browsing and searching faster on the given website. So that's totally up to you. You may, for example, choose the extended preloading feature or leave it at standard preloading. What you may do in addition to that, guys, is head over to the system settings and here, for example, disable the graphics/hardware acceleration when available feature. For example, if you don't have the strongest hardware and would like to improve your browser's performance significantly. So by disabling this, you may achieve that. And last but not least, guys, it's a bonus and only optional, but doing the following may have a positive impact on your browser's performance and maybe even fix some performance issues. So what you want to do is head over to About Chrome here at the bottom of that left panel and make sure that you're using the most or the newest version of Chrome. Once you access this area here, Google Chrome will automatically check which version of Chrome you're currently using, and if there are any new updates available, it will ask you to download these and to install these, which you may either accept or decline. So guys, that's basically it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.